drive is Winnebago. It is a challenge, so I'm gonna try to help him. So there we go. Gonna try. And with his truck, gonna come here across, and he's got a choice. Two of these trees go through this picnic and try to.
On my go. Good luck. Go.
Okay, it's going. Good. That's it.
Nicely done. Nicely done.
Un peu par là.
Oh, careful.
Continue.
Yeah, nice. Oh, you met the height limit. Get some, Winnebago, get some. Oh! I didn't either. Did he hit it? Uh-oh. This will be the choice. Does he go for visual? Or, he's going he's taking the blind route.
Par là.
He's feeling his way through.
Oh!
Epicness! Epicness!
You got it,
Well done, Ty. Go, go, go! Go, 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 Winnebago! Yes!
I need more speed.
Wow!
Oh. Oh, he touched it. Oh, he touched it. He touched it, but that's not count because it's compté quand t'as touché.
Well, okay, this is where I gotta be careful. I'm gonna back it up. I know it's time, but
He's got it, he got it.
no, this is the hill. Oh, fuck.
I just bought it last year.
Ciao.
All right, I'll clear the first ball. Let you go. Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
Well, there was a list on website. Oh, yeah, on the website. You can do it. Anybody can do it. Yeah, on this. It's just. I can't
Too much weight.
Oh.
Wait, you gotta go backward again?
My truck's not fast enough back there.
Okay.
Go!
There we go, Winnebago wins. Oh, I put in 3S and then it's completely different.
Oh, there we go. Trail critter.
Trail critter? Hi.
Nice to meet you, buddy. Yeah, I keep missing it. I'm like, one of these days I'll get there.
And what's your name?
Wyatt.
Yeah, you're trying out the Winnebago. You like it?
Yeah.
Cool. It's at the G6 and trying out the Winnebago. And he's nice and soft on the trigger. That's what I like to see. He just saw the truck. That's for to give.
C'est moi qui l'ai accouché. Toi, t'as déjà écrit devant moi.
No, no.
Since 2007, I've only seen 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So can you sign my
I would be honored.
right over the door here?
I'd be honored to sign it.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thanks, brother. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So glad you guys came back. Where you at, little man?
It's your third time here.
I know. So awesome seeing y'all. So awesome. Dude, this guy's a driver.
Yeah.
He's a driver. Yes. Super. Hey, dude, you are so rad. Okay, hey, can we take an official picture? All right. This way, real quick. Let's look back here. Okay, hold on. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Cool. So G6 over, it's Saturday night, heading over to our group, the Ottawa Rock Haulers. They're having a potluck this afternoon for supper, and I was told to bring cookies. So, being an RC guy I am, I'm bringing cookies. And here's my cookies. I'm bringing the trailer, and I'm bringing the cookies with the trailer over there. Special delivery of cookies at the campground. Yeah, I'm bringing cookies. I'm bringing cookies over to the party.
No. Papa,
What?
why?
Because that's where I got to bring the cookies, where we're going to have supper tonight. We're having a potluck.
It is orange.
Well, yes, we're bringing the cookies. That was my job, to bring the cookies to the ORC
But
party.
But
Been pretty good.
I'm taking chocolate. I'm taking chocolate.
I put a 3S in there. That's why it was bouncing so much near the end. It was fun.
So is it right there or is it over?
It's over here.
Oh, it's time to rock. Rock and roll, rock and roll, rock.
There's a lot of smoke. That's why the fire truck, I heard the fire truck.
That's right. That's exactly it.
Special delivery. Special delivery.
Let's put them inside.
Oh. Well, Sebastian wanted the chocolate one.